Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you have a happy new year and a great year of trading. As always, I really appreciate the support, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I want to talk about how much I contribute monthly to Robinhood portfolio because I have been getting questions about how much I contribute and how long it took me to get to today's amount. Takeaway from this video is that I contribute consistently week after week with an amount I'm comfortable with. If you have an investment portfolio, I highly encourage you to contribute an amount you feel comfortable with after taking care of any debt and expenses. The main point I want to emphasize is to contribute consistently at a frequency you feel comfortable with. You can either do this automatically at a recurring frequency within the Robinhood app or do manual transfers after every pay period or weekly or even monthly. The point is to do so consistently. All right, I'm going to show you my transfers from the past couple months. So in December, you'll see December 28th, 600, December 20th, 800, December 14th, 900, December 11th, 600, and last one for December 6th, 800. That totals to 3,700 for the month of December. Next is the month of November, 500, November 30th, November 23rd, 800, November 19th, 500, November 8th, 500. So for November, that's a total of 2,300. In October, starting with 400, October 26th, 650, October 23rd, 500, October 19th, 500, October 16th, 900, October 15th, 1,000, October 9th, 800. And that's a total of 4,750. And then September, I only contributed twice, September 25th, 800, September 12th, 1,000, which is a total of 1,800. August, I contribute a little more, starting with 1,500 and then 500 for August 27th, August 22nd, 1,000, August 17th, 900, August 9th, 900, August 2nd, 1,500, and August 2nd, 163. So that's a total of 6,463. That's 6,463. And then in July, July 26th, 350, July 24th, 500, July 19th, 1,200, July 13th, 466 and 57 cents. July 9th, 1,000, July 6th, 1,200. And that's a total of 4,716 and 57 cents. So it's 4,716 and 57 cents. And then for the month of June, June 28th, 676, June 22nd, 1,100, June 14th, 960, June 12th, 1,300, June 11th, 1,000, and that's a total of 5,036. So that's a total in the past 7 months, 28,765 and 57 cents. Divided by 7, that's a total of 41. It's 4,109 on average per month. So again, just to reiterate, I just want to encourage you guys to be consistent with contributing to your portfolio and continue to do so. That's one of my New Year's resolutions, continue to contribute consistently. And I know it's a volatile market right now, so when you can't contribute, try to average down. And in the long run, it'll be a sizable amount. So that's all for this video. How much are you depositing in your portfolio and how often? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.